Hello, my friends. For a very, 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 very limited time, we have a special bundle on our website that includes the entire collection of, wait for it, the Ice Cream Cuties. So our Stamp and Die Hard Club members are getting the stamps and the dies that match, but there's more to the collection. So go get the bundle, the entire collection, so you have it all, because you know what? Not only is it on flash sale and club discount, you also get a bundle discount. So I'm going to show you really quick, and you're going to run to the website because you don't want to miss out on this. Once it's gone forever. If you don't see this on our website, that means it's gone. It's done. Okay, first you're getting this add-on stamps and, of course, the dies that match. Then you're getting all the awesome word puns, all the funny sayings, all the awesome words that go with it. Then you're also getting all 3 stencils to color all your awesome Ice Cream Cuties. And last but not least, you are getting the most amazing fold-it ever, the Pup Cup. I just love this little critter guy. So go check it out. If you do not see the bundle, I am so sorry. That means it's sold out. So don't run, don't walk, fly to the website, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.